check 1 2 1 2. KO Braun, speeding gangster line. Niggas thought I'm a bot. I stay on the grind, get my money right. Niggas wanna try.
Hip hop is my life. Hip hop is
RLC is a crew from Tafelkop, and then in our member I5, of which is me, Mpo aka Emphonator, there's Spectember aka Pro Speed, there's Reggie aka Kayo Brown, we got TMG, also known as Tamara, and Black Soul, our producer. His real name is Makosonke Sigmswe. He's based in the rural. We do hip hop music.
In the community or in the family or relatives, we love one like got this other attitude. Like nah, go better than you are. Just because of Kevlela's whole man. And like only to find out things like I'm making myself I'm a cheese boy or something. Like I better my culture. And stuff like that. Tattoos and all that. So like these people we don't underestimate, don't level so good. Just passing by. Just because of I understand the thing in looking I'm into.
Banyaza music wetu. Okay. Before ngashonjalo ukuthi Banyaza thina, since we from here now, they don't believe in us. But expect ukuthi mhlambe wenzwe yilaba ba out there ichi bomajozi like I believe ukuthi ukuze uphumelele kumele mhlambe ube from Jozi Soweto.
Yeah, so it's like iba difficult like masa continue masa what. But at the end of the day, I follow my heart, man. Because I love this thing. I ride too much, you know. So it's like that. Hip hop for a passion. Music we don't have pillar and not really the road rat, I probably the room.
Mugusangalowe, we America, woman, 1998, somewhere. It's no Bugela e channel or Isangana Usimun Cruz, something like that. And then when you inspire my music video, when I say, Puff Daddy, as I was not Puff Daddy, I listen to P. Diddy.
Man, it's a calling. We do that because, like, if you can check around Las Pilacon, Aguna Bandraba Nengi, Abenza this thing is Yenza. So, we decided, why don't we go and do this thing? Spawn Uti Uzo Kamban, but normally this thing is from our heart. Lagu hip hop in Gibala, something as concern abantu ngomkhobaphila ngakho ngibhala izinto abantu abazenza kwesikhathini esiningi ngiportraya my music as a symbol efundisa abantu ukuthi into ezinye ezingabonakaliko bazibone through my music.
We riding on the street without the license for the street. Speaking fantasy after smoking green tree. Flexing on the beat and we high 1 2 3. T and Pro, yeah, we let it be.
Hey yo bro, put the PD on the move. Video once and for all. For record, it's like a very miscraft, and sometimes very the magic mix. And then we use the beats very Fruity Loops so mostly music or record or record agati PC like rakopanya more like what is like ishirve sharp kaza kamelo rabila regavana the studio is so sharp like you can see the monitor. This is my monitor in a PC like the whole thing you know happy like intaganyiza music guitar or intaganyiza music guitar as my audio. And for all it's like the Spanish at the mic is like I'm gonna put like more like as my audio or happy like by kagela more like
wona le mic wa ka re spanisa this mic go wona ro spanisa kontra that sound they are thing like go even superb like that we hustler.
Ngiyayithanda umvumo omuhle uyalaleleka uya-inspire abantu so anomunye but anyway kunenye into engingayijabuleliyo ngakhona about the technical akhona it's good but it's not that much clear. Difference gona le music wa ka mo gae le music wa kwa ntle, it's just batho ba kwa ntle ba na le instrument tse powerful better than us. That's why their music even not powerful than what I'm local.
Music monate, alright, ra we enjoy most of us. Problem kore is just or kamo high like rural areas are kushishi too much hip hop. Wabo are batu tata di hip hop or no tseba ge hip hop le music e leng gore wa rogana unali wa bona dilo tsa go tswa tsele. By the good thing go gore go ka ithieletsa wa I follower o eno tswana le music o mollo
na ke bona ka bottom line a bona banna bala go la etsa gore if you got patience you better use it not to destroy it. Now we're having 4 mixtapes. We're dropping hard, and we promote our music like in shows. It's where we promote our music.
So sikhona lapha ku Facebook group yethu eHonchen Records ikhona. Umusic wethu uyatholakala ku Facebook. Siya paste via MP3, tweet MP3, and then siya distribute via my phone, Bluetooth.
And that's why people they get to know us. And after we performed, we give them our mixtape. So the next time when they come to our show, they will react much more better than the first time they came to our shows, because now they got the enlightenment of what we do and what we doing. And our success, man, it's far from now.
Ngathi ngizidlulela somewhere bangitshela ukuthi we saw your music video but something like that, and I was surprised bengazi ukuthi sisazeka kangaka.
I was watching this other show. There was this woman from Jaws. He was talking about Limpopo, how poor is Limpopo, and she said people from Limpopo, they don't know how to use mouse. They don't know like how to use a computer. No, man, they cannot deem us like that. They cannot judge us like that. Man, we know how to use those things.
I don't think what is good for judge motho because of kwatswang origin ya gagwe. Rena is like we too proud rena gore tswa Limpopo, and then we too proud of regular Limpopo.
Let me tell you something about RLC. You know, we all have to start somewhere, and what we're doing now, it seems so small. People don't see what we're doing, but later on they will realize what we were doing was good. So
I got to tell you this, that what we're doing, it's good, and people, abantu, umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu, muthu ke muthu kabathu, we have to be there for each other. When we hook up some shows, you must show up to give us that little courage for us to go on with what we're doing. If you don't give us that, nothing so give up. But anyway, we won't give up. This is what we do, what we like. We're gonna do this until the end.
Ngabendo ehle ukuthi baphumele phambili ngommusic abo lo bangabiyele emuva. Sikhona nathi sibasekela ngendlela abafuna sibasekele ngakhona nathi masinamandla sibaphutshe bayasana la eTafulkopo. Asinama artists amaningi njalo wona. Ene ngendlela ngicale ngakhona ihip hop kulamalanga sekungenye ethandwa kakhulu than ikwaito, and ekuphumeni sijwayele ukuthi kuthandwa ikwaito, mara nje ikwaito le angathi siya phasi iso hip hop phasi. Relse ithome kuba abantu abayi-2 guys, but now wow, it's good. A crew bana 5 is a 5 members, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi omunye nomunye unezakhe ingqondo, unama-plan bekaplanile ukuthi angenzani ngempilo yakhe, but ngoba bonke nje bane-this passion yomvumo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma bangahlanganisa ingqondo babonke ingqondo zabo mhlambe kukhulu uma bangakwenza.
We wanna go out there, express this message. Rather show where like those people from urban areas, or like don't underestimate people more the rural areas. Level on them too, they can do what they are capable of. And like we wanna prove like it's not like really disadvantage on like on a village or on rural places. Aren't those potentials, because we human beings, right? Yeah, we human beings, man. The very same things, the very same skills, the very same knowledge and wisdom that they have. So we just wanna show them like the only difference is just that rural and that's urban, but we do what they're capable of. So it's our mission, you know, our objectives. The thing is, I sustain more music, like memory and the long way speaking on. We can't just like give up on suddenly. Like without money, I know it's hard. Like after it, like your own tracks, man. Yeah. Then you know the long way with amazing. Yo, Joe. Like let people feel like no man. Why should I give up now, man? Yeah. Why should I quit? No, so like this thing, man. Like it's not appellate or no, man. I should dig until I get that gold.